So it helps us to clock. So like harnessing the power of this. So after I've gotten my competitor, I needed to use a web crawler to get their URL, to get the numbers of followers, which I can work with, and to get more data as well. So the name of the web crawler I use in this scenario is like Appify. Appify. Appify, yeah. API-FY. So if I'm to go back to the automation, and this is like of everything, then you can see your generated content. Now the final result is I'm able to use it to generate the content for myself. Then at the end of everything, I can actually use that to make a post out of the generated content. Now I will have, now in this feature we use OpenAI though, because I regularly ask OpenAI to take out of the content that was generated, then use it to populate the content for me. After getting to this browser, you come down here. Were you able to run, did you run your Microsoft Excel yesterday to get the information there? I think we clicked the wrong button yesterday, right? Yeah, when I asked us to print the wrong forms, like just to get our information, then I showed you the information we got from Microsoft, from the Google Sheet. I still remember, I said you did do it. Okay. Okay then. So this is it. Conditioning. So like in the condition box, the field. So you can just click on it like this, the way I've done now. So it will show you status of the first module you use. I mean, Make hasn't got into that place of automatically updating their database as you proceed. Have you saved? Can I proceed? What about you? Is it good? I should be doing my own. So here, come back here. This is functions. You know, we have multiple. I'll explain it later. So here, this way you just close this. I don't need all this. So you can click it. What's this? Or probably understood by the database. So like if it gives us like that, we have to look for a way to convert it into something that we can use. So probably like the URL, PNG URL, probably JPG or GIF. Those are terms in picture anyways. So now this is the data. This is where we're going. So now you see this is a built-in function. All those ones I've been talking about are built-in functions. They are not given to us by the previous list. So it came with me just for you to be able to manipulate your data very well. So now we have, you can see here, we have now as a variable, right? Yeah, we have timestamp. Can you see it? I think it's timestamp, then now. You get it? So in programming, whenever you see something like now, we're actually telling you that okay, you can select, you can use it to get your current date and time or something related to that. It's now. You get it? But we won't be using our current date and time, so we need days. So like we need days. So we also have other functions. We have add seconds. So it's saying that with the prescribed time that we have in this cell, the cell we talked about, the program payment due date 1. We have a cell there, we have a particular date, right? So if I click on this add seconds, I'm saying it should add this add like if I click, let me do it. If I click add seconds, now if I hover on it, it will show me how to properly format it. You can click add seconds and try it. Click on add seconds and try it. Oh, you're not seeing it. Gideon, you need your help, please. If you're using an application for that it will help you. It will help you to get some aspects of the application, depending on what the application is ready to give out to you. Now, for every application or every big application, they have an API section. So it's meant for developer actually. Developer understand it better. You get me? In order for me not to make it a little bit easier. This is it. This was the information I got after the integration and everything. I got this information. You get me? I'm able to get the user ID. I'm able to get the post. The mix so far. Are you getting me? So the channel name, their channel name is TechPoint. If you go back to your computer and search on Instagram or probably your mobile, TechPoint.ng, you see it's there. And I'm able to get video. The video type. Like, no, this is the type. Now, talking about categories, they can also use as type. The type of content they posted. It could be video, it could be a video content. It should also be a text content. You get me? Trust me, all this Instagram, I told you about the power of database. Now, it doesn't work like magic. All these things that are being posted on Instagram is stored in the database. You need a place to store an information in order for you to display an information. So though we have cloud database as well. There are some stored in the cloud. So now after getting all this, you see this is the image they posted, like this is the URL. If I'm to copy this and show you, this is the URL of the image. You see the image now when I come in. Let me just paste it. URL expired. Sorry. So there's something we call expiration. So when you are using the content like that, you get it. I think it comes with an expiration date. One status. I know the thing about labeling is that you have to make sure it's correlating with whatever you're trying to actualize.
Okay.
For remembrance and precise, like I told you best practice now. You might have to hand over the project to someone else. So if the person is seeing correlative words and everything, it's easy for the person to navigate around your application. It's not like you.
So look at the second is still.
Yeah, this is the same way this one has seconds. Because I wanted us to do seconds first. So you selected seconds already.
Where is
Okay. Add seconds. You see add seconds. Add seconds. This function. Add seconds. So you see. Now you